Welcome to Food Flavor, where we explore how your favorite snacks are made from start to finish.
Let's move to the first major processing stage, washing and peeling.
Now the potatoes are ready for their transformation journey.
This step prevents defects and guarantees uniform taste and texture.
Check the consistency on these.
The salt levels look good, boss.
And the crunch factor is perfect.
Storage happens in cool, ventilated areas to prevent sprouting and maintain freshness. Samples are taken and tested for size, specific gravity, and internal quality.
Okay, look for the green spots and any sprouting.
Yeah.
Found some greening here, definitely damaged. Noted. We'll set these aside.
Farmers grow potatoes suited for processing, firm, regular shape, and disease-free.
Ideal potatoes have low sugar levels to avoid dark chips during frying.
High-quality potatoes are the key to perfect chips. Factories choose specific varieties with high starch content. Let's begin with the foundation, selecting and purchasing high-quality potatoes.
Hit like and subscribe to Food Flavor for more behind-the-scenes food manufacturing videos. If you're a food lover or business enthusiast, this detailed guide is perfect for you. Stay tuned till the end to learn about packaging and how these chips reach your local stores.
Our video shows real factory operations, quality checks, and how everything comes together.
We'll start right from sourcing the best potatoes and follow every single step carefully.
Potato chips are one of the world's most popular snacks. Crispy, flavorful, and loved by all ages.
This is the complete industrial process used by major brands. Get ready for an exciting factory journey. Today, we're diving deep into potato chips production, from buying fresh potatoes to final packaging and marketing.